Well, I did promise then, guys, that I'd go for the other motor. So I can't move very far because the battery's knackered on this camera. So I'm having to plug it in all the time, and I don't want to risk like losing footage because the cable comes out. So this motor is out of, what do you call them? A jet wash. And it has got serious bearing issues, man, really bad. I've had to tie it down. I started it up without any restraints on it, and the fucking thing shot straight across the decking and nearly shorted out. It was brilliant. So yeah, it's tied down, and we are just going to let this run because one bearing is completely knackered. I've seen sparks coming out the back of this thing already. So with a bit of luck, we should get some carnage, hopefully anyway. I'm just going to set my camera up there, perfect. I might be zooming a little bit, there we go, perfect. No, back up, there we go. Right guys, so yeah, we're going to let this one run, see what happens. Let's just throw something in there that's going to cause a few issues. No, don't try this at home. I've got a fire extinguisher here. Let's have a bit of that. Oh, lovely. I want to throw a bit in there as well. Smoky, it's hot. It's really hot, man. Cooking. Guys want flames? I'll give you flames. I don't want to go too mad. It's hot. Not the great big raving inferno on my deck. Okay, alright, let's go for it again. What the fuck was that? Oh my god. Oh fucking hell, it's absolutely shut itself. Oh no. Oh.